Here I have Omoda, and let me show you how to enable the camping mode on the Omoda car. So if you are using the Omoda, this is the Omoda home screen. Now if you would like to turn on or off the camping mode, you need to use the apps icon. Then afterwards, from the following list of applications, you need to scroll down to open scene mode. As you can see here, you can use the invigorating mode or camping mode. In my case, let me use the camping mode. So if you would like to do this, let's just tap on. And right now the camping mode is activated. Now here we've got the whole configuration of the camping mode, but basically what the camping mode is, this is a massive favorite among EV enthusiasts. When you turn on the camping mode, the vehicle allows the high voltage battery to keep running the climate control, heating or air conditioning, and the USB power outlets for hours or even days. So if you are using your car as a camper, you should enable the camping mode. To disable the camping mode is also really easy. All you need to do is just tap off right here, and right now you can go back to a normal using of your car. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.